In this guide, we're going over how to install Instagram app on iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and, back out of whatever you might be in. I'm currently in Instagram, but you're going to be on your home screen right here. You need to make sure that your iPhone does have good Wi-Fi or cellular connection. And then from here, just open up the App Store and tap on your profile icon up at the top and just make sure that you are signed in to your Apple ID. If you're not signed in, you do need to log in or create an Apple ID before downloading apps. From here, hit search down at the very bottom and just search for Instagram, right? Just like so. Enter that in, and then of course scroll down, find Instagram on here and open it up. And where mine currently says update, you're going to see an install option on here. Go ahead and select that. It may ask you for your Apple ID password, your Face ID, or to double click the side button. Just essentially wait for Instagram to finish downloading, and once it is installed, you can open it up from the App Store, your home screen or your app library. After opening up Instagram, sign into your Instagram account or create a brand new account. Mine is still updating. Oh my gosh. But that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.